So as you can see here, the construction part of this room is ready. Now it's time for the light. But at the beginning of the installation of DIALux Evo, you will see there's no luminaire in your luminaire list. So how do I actually get the luminaires into DIALux Evo? I will show you the different ways. Let's start with the catalogs. For this you need to be in the luminaire tool. Go to the brand, and there you can see a list of more than 400 luminaire manufacturers, and you have unlimited access to all of these manufacturers with their luminaires. Select one manufacturer, and there you can see I've installed already one catalog, and that's the reason why I have the possibility to choose between the offline or the online catalog. I will go for the offline catalog. So I want to select the suspended luminaire. That's the reason why I go here to the mounting type suspended. And I like this luminaire. That's the reason why I go to this button, send to DIALux. And you will see there under the active luminaire window that the import was successful. The other possibility is the directly import from the website. So I've selected here another manufacturer with another luminaire, and you can see under the download options, under DIALux drag and drop option, there click here and click again to the files themselves. And you will see the luminaire under the active luminaire window again. The next option, for example, if you have already a list of luminaires in a folder, you can directly drag and drop, for example, here this luminaire file into a 3D or 2D view. Or you can import it under the menu bar, under File, Import, Luminaire File, and there click again or select one luminaire. And there you can find also the different luminaire formats, the ULD file, LDT files, IES file, and the new GLDF file, which can be imported. Select one of these and open it. And again, you will find now all of these imported luminaires in your luminaire list, as you can see here. You select one luminaire and you can directly start with the arrangement.
Are you really satisfied with just the free content? Unlock the full course DIALux Evo for interior lighting and take your skills to the next level.
One last possibility. If you have no idea of a luminaire manufacturer or a luminaire, you can go to the DIALux luminaire finder. You can open it. Select, for example, indoor, pendant, a luminaire, and in this list you can select again here and send a luminaire directly to DIALux Evo. Open the link and it appears again here. And now you can start with your active luminaire.